.NET Core Libraries, the most useful tools for web development. AutoMapper. The AutoMapper library is a convention-based object-to-object mapping library that can automatically convert data between different formats. SaaSkit. It is a set of NuGet packages that will help you simplify common tasks when building a software-as-a-service application. Poly is a .NET library that allows developers to build applications with built-in resilience and failure handling. MailKit is a .NET library allowing developers to take advantage of SMTP connections, custom envelope data, and attachments. Dapper is a lightweight library for accessing and querying data, making working with databases easy. Ocelot is a set of APIs that simplify server management tasks while allowing flexible access to underlying libraries. Cache Manager is a dependency injection container and version of control library that allows you to use service calls, scope services, etc. The log library can be used to log messages in applications. The logs contain debugging information that is helpful for finding and fixing bugs. It is a package that can check your system for certain conditions such as file space and registry keys and warns you if they are detected. LightDB is a database that executes SQL-like queries up to 100x faster than standard SQL databases. The Bcrypt library provides hashing and verification for sensitive material. It is faster and more efficient than existing methods. FastReport is a reporting tool that works with databases and allows developers to generate reports without any coding. Which .NET Core library are you going to pick for software development? Confused? Get connected with Valia Coders experts to pick the suitable one matching your needs.